Hello, good day engineers. So sagutan natin itong isang differential calculus na problem which is hanapin daw natin ang first derivative nung sin x plus y is equals to xy. Kung mapapansin natin yung ating equation, mahirap i-separate si variable y natin and magkasama pa or magkadikit pa si x and si y natin. Okay? So meaning to say gagamit tayo dito ng implicit differentiation. Okay? So sa implicit differentiation, so dapat kabisado pa rin natin yung mga rules natin sa pagde-derivative. Okay? For example, ito. Ano ba ang derivative ni sine? 'Di ba sabi natin ang derivative ni sine is simply cosine. So meaning to say, this is cosine x plus y. And since meron pa tayong variable sa loob ng function natin, so meaning to say, kailangan ko pang i-differentiate si x tsaka si y. Okay? So derivative natin si x with respect to x, so that is 1. And i-derivative natin si y with respect to x, meaning to say that is our y prime. Equals, okay, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong dalawang variable na nakamultiply. So meaning to say, ang gagamitin naman natin dito is the product rule, which is si u times v. So ang derivative nun is si u dv plus v du. So u ko si x, so magiging x ito. And then, i-derivative ko si y with respect to x. So magiging y prime plus v du. So ikakopy ko naman ngayon si y, i-multiply ko sa derivative ni x. So that is 1. Okay? Pero sinasabi na natin, kailangan nating hanapin si first derivative, which is itong nakikita natin na y prime. Okay? So sa madaling salita, isimplify na lang natin ngayon itong nakuha nating function. Okay? So, i-distribute ko si cosine x plus y dito sa naka-bracket. So, meaning to say, this is cosine x plus y plus, so i-multiply ko naman siya ngayon sa y prime. So, magiging y prime cosine x plus y equals, so doon sa right side naman natin, so this is x, y prime plus y. Okay? Ilipat ko naman na ngayon lahat ng may y prime dito sa left side and then yung walang y prime dito sa right side. So itong xy prime mapupunta sa left side. Itong cosine x plus y mapupunta naman sa right side. Okay? So ikakopy ko lang muna. So this is y prime cosine x plus y. Then ililipat ko si x y prime sa left side. So magiging minus. So x y prime is equals to, so naka-remain si y sa left sa right side. So this is y. Ililipat ko naman ngayon si si cosine x plus y sa right side, so magiging negative cosine x plus y. And then factor out natin si y prime. So dito sa left side, i-factor out natin si y prime. So magiging y prime multiply to, or gamit na lang tayo ng bracket. So this is cosine x plus y minus x. Okay, kasi yan na lang naiwan. Equals y minus cosine x plus y. Okay? Dividing both sides by itong nakamultiply kay y prime, which is cosine x plus y. Cosine x plus y minus x. So, magiging final answer ngayon natin ay simply, so this is y prime, or the first derivative is now equals to cosine, magiging y minus cosine x plus y. So, this is cosine x plus y divided by cosine x plus y minus x. Okay, so ito ngayon yung ating final answer kasi wala naman na tayong pwedeng ma-simplify. So ganyan tayo magsagot ng ating implicit differentiation. Wag lang nating kakalimutan yung mga rules sa ating pagde-derivative. Okay? So ayun, maraming salamat sa pakikinig, engineers, and I hope to see you sa next tutorials natin.